Yo, what's up? My name's Brandn Shiraz. I'm a rapper, producer, artist from Central Auckland, and this is my Ka Mua Ka Muri. I think the first music I would have heard when I was a kid would have been, island music and stuff that my grandparents and that were playing. I think that kind of like set the foundation for my thing now. But also, my mum was also kind of just playing like everything from R&B and whatever was popping at the time and all that. I think creatively I get a lot of inspiration from this whole city, but also from Central. And at some point in the week, everyone's going to Central at some point, so you're gonna get that diversity and all that. I think that does play a lot into my music, because when I started making music, I feel like it sounded a certain way, and now I feel like the energy of what I'm doing has kind of just gone way up. So it's definitely something to do with that, something to do with the certain type of energy that's in the city. And I'd say my style is like a mix of a bunch of stuff, a bit of island stuff as well. I always got Cook Island drumming and all that in there. Yeah, I feel like that's kind of why I'm always kind of jumping in between genres and all that and switching it up pretty hard, but yeah.
Look, I'm outside, I don't hide too much. Sparkle when the light get dust. What you see? Say I never fight and fuss, but commercialize and they might get touched. My G, they will this. Swing a machete off the truck, circling your block, what's the rush? Any type of case, me a bust. Playing with us, pray to the Holy Father, my chain crisscross. They hate to see me apply pressure. I mix the sweet talk with the aggression. Yes, I trust nobody, I was destined. Yeah, I keep an eye, I keep my distance. Listen, in the trap I only play record. Never shake his hand, that's my vendetta. Yeah, through all the dark times I stay blessed. I'm trying to be rich as my ancestor. Brandn Shiraz top rank. Money calling, yeah. Bless her one time, see me sparkling. Look, so what they want from? Yeah, all I hear lies, they be talking. My G was, yeah. So who you calling? See me pull out let me sparkle. Yeah, so we go all in. Yeah, catch 'em outside, yeah. So money calling. Bless her one time, see me sparkling. So what they want from? Yeah, all I hear lies, they be talking. They be, yeah. Yeah. Hey, straight out the water, it tastes better. Yeah. They never grind, but I'ma go get to. Yeah, the extra, I'm raw like that. Aim at the king, I hit them all right back. From east side, west side, south side, north side, Haps. Save the money, yeah, I brought mine back. Stash in the house, I pray no court find that. Same kicks, I'm just wearing them black. Call the cops when you see Shiraz. Live from the rock, I keep my feet on the dash, my boy. Can't hide all the G's, double back. Run track, pull up on him just to see where he at. Yeah, on my hustle, doing what I'm supposed to. Let her back it up and do it for the coach. Every time she see me, she just bend over. I tell, why you never come closer? You want a real soldier. Yeah, so money calling. Yeah, bless her one time, see me sparkle. Look, so what they want from? Yeah, all I hear lies, they be talking. My G, what's that? So who you calling? See me pull out let me sparkle. Yeah, so we go all in. Yeah, catch 'em outside, leave 'em stalling.
Money calling, yeah, calling. I roll up some for the dead ones. I hear them calling, yeah, calling. My G, alright, we ain't falling.
Yeah.
Lightskin John. Yeah.
Bruh, it's too crazy for the library. Come on.
When YGB and all that came out, it was more of like an underground thing. It had the underground feel. Bad Crop, Mellow, and Third Eye and all that. Guys that we were listening to, they were like the big dogs when we were in school, and sort of going against like the industry kind of inspired me to be like, oh yeah, this is something I can do, because I can make music in this country and be able to do it my own way. And so me and LSJ were still, in school, just starting up our music, trying to do the music thing and all that. And I think it's just because the city's just so small, and it's like, a lot of guys that were in the scene then, they went to our school, but they're way older than us, but my older brother knew them because they were his elders, and yeah, when a lot of those guys kind of took me and the bro under their wing, they had this thing called the Grow Room, which was like a bit of a special thing at the time, studio up on K Road, being in a grow room and like just being in that environment and just making music every day, making beats, just doing all this like, you know, experimental kind of stuff. Yeah, that was sort of how me and the bro got a little head start while we were still like supposed to be in class and all that. We're out on K Road doing music and doing gigs and all that. Sometimes even when we're sitting there spitting in the cypher and all that, it still kind of doesn't feel real sometimes, even though these are just, you know, guys that I can call, you know, my friends now. So yeah.
All of my G's, them boy, them crazy. I never fear none, I know them shake. Yeah, come like the beat, like the drum gon' break it. There ain't no limit to where the boy gon' take it. Jumping a ride, I'm sussing it up. Green and white, I'm crushing it up. You know what I like, I step in and bust it up. Bonnie and Clyde, I give her a gun finger, yeah. Brandn Shiraz, I'm a hustler. Painted red, I come through and I touch them up. Summarize, can't decide, tossing it up. Send that to my DJ, I'm chopping it up. The big bad wolf huffing and puff. Told her dirty up the place, I cover the cost. All y'all 20 brothers deep, ain't none of us. Outside on the street, I'm calling your bluff. Okay, da, test me, no way, da. Fuck. Come back, try him now, try them all. Island boy, cause I'm fired up. Good timing, turn it on, we gon' fry him up. Tire, skirt, outside tire marks. Light it, spark it, tell the boy sharpen up. Cause this life gets rough if you shut them off. Gone in the mouth, I do them like Shabba Ranks. All of my G's, them boy, them crazy. Yeah, I never fear none, I know them shake. Come like the beat, like the drum gon' break it. There ain't no limit to where the boy gon' take it. Jumping a ride, I'm sussing it up. Green and white, I'm crushing it up. You know what I like, I step in and bust it up. Bonnie and Clyde, I give her a gun for gun hand, yeah, gun sign. In the air like good ganja, them bum mine. They won't see me lose it all, that was one time. They was playing DMX, that's I got God on my side, can't fight with the army. See me moving like Franklin, I'm moving like Avi. Yeah, stepping on the gas, every time you call me. Hit that ring once and I know what the time be. Trippy gal and she put diamonds inside of. Spiritually, I run it up financially. I take what's mine, G. I came from the grimy, still weighing up in a hotel lobby. Where I'm from, people stab you in the back in a heartbeat. If it's hot up outside, I know if they wildin'. Them boys, they lie on me. My people no doubt me. They want hate, but got nothing to tell me. All of my G's, them boy, them crazy. I never fear none, I know them shake. Come like the beat, like the drum gon' break it. There ain't no limit to where the boy gon' take it. Jumping a ride, I'm sussing it up. Green and white, I'm crushing it up. You know what I like, I step in and bust it up. Bonnie and Clyde, I give her a gun finger. Yeah.
Come on. I feel like there's like one sound of the whole of the city. What I've noticed is probably the siren jam thing. When you, not even just at nighttime, it can be 8 a.m. in the morning. You see a car full of dudes roll past, they're playing, you know what I mean, the newest siren mix, some reggae thing mixed with the Venga Boys thing or whatever. And then, yeah, well, I thought that was just out south or a little bit out west, but then even I had a spot up on, like, right in the middle of town, another spot on K Road, and you're hearing that in the middle of the night as well. You're hearing it early in the morning, dudes roll past, blasting it out the siren. It's kind of the only thing you can hear, you know, and then it just cuts off. I don't know, people see the cops or whatever, but that's one thing that I feel like you see it here and you hear that here, and you don't hear that anywhere else in the world. The Pacific culture over here definitely plays a part in that, like, being, because I was just in the Cook Islands a couple of weeks ago, and I was talking to the bro about how there's actually more Cook Islanders here than in the Cook Islands. So that whole thing definitely plays a part in it. The amount of islanders here, amount of Samoans and Tongans and all that. Yeah. But even just sort of siren jams and all that aside, I think the Pacific population just plays a big part into music here in general. So.
Back up on my grind, can't hush. Pick on one by one, still none I can't trust. G's in the back, tell a boy mask off. Still in the dance when I cut the lights off. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Came up out the gutter where it burns. Nobody's room, nobody wants skirt. Milo G putting in work. I'm a OG, I hop in and I whip skirts. Make her roll it up, baby, one twist words. Do it for the 15, but we in first. Break the damn curse every time I'm a chief on my side from the damn dirt. You could come up on my end, we could switch words. Have her blowing up and calling, get your burst. She want off pant, pull up on me. Hey, where you want, babe? Want me shoot from the side, want me pump fake. Lot of flops in your life, kill them all day. You got things on your mind, know you I got enough time, try and get my shit straight. See them run up one time, see me unfazed. Have to put them on the side, he too ungrateful. Tell them boom, bye-bye, tell them back up on my grind, can't hush. Pick them one by one, still none I can't trust. G's in the back, tell a boy mask off. Still in the dance when I cut the lights off. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Came up out the gut to whip. Nobody zoom, nobody won't skirt. Milo G put the work, okay. Yeah, okay da. Make him run, he don't know no winner. Yeah, G's all shook up, can't put the pressure. Why me push it like salt and pepper. I just spark a Dutch, you don't know who realer. If you talk smoke, you know I got hella. If you talk horse, you know I get hecker. Brandn Shiraz, I'm a different type of brother. Ay, shots fired flying through the curtains. Ay, shut the fine, holla, let me work this. Yeah, call me late night, you on service. Ay, I hit the 9 times, she got curtains. Ay. Get rich, start trying, I got hustlers, urges, dirty. Cops outside wanna search us, I heard ya. Nobody move, nobody, yeah. Back up on my grind, can't hush. Pick on one by one, still none I can't trust. G's in the bag, tell a boy mask off. Still in the dance when I cut the lights off. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Came up out the gutter where it burns. Nobody's room, nobody wants skirt. Milo G's put in work, okay.
Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Nobody move, nobody get hurt.
I think in the future, Auckland's hopefully gonna sound kind of like a mature version of what it is now, hopefully. Like, I think even though there is all these little pockets of different sounds going on throughout the city and all that, I feel like stuff kind of stays separate from each other, or this thing doesn't mix in with it. So I think, hopefully at least in the next 10 years or whatever, that kind of becomes one, rather than these guys are over here, these guys are out south, and hopefully just like a more polished version of what we're on now, for sure. Yeah.